Welcome to the Hoover commercial booth at ISSA. We are a tectronic industry company under the TTI brands. One thing that separates us from all of our competitors is our battery technology. Our cross-compatible platform goes into all three of our units, and as we expand, we're going to continue to keep that same footprint so you can utilize your equipment. So what sets us apart from all the other battery platforms is the company that actually made this battery was Milwaukee Tools, which is under our current brands of all of TTI, and how we pack these batteries and how we actually put them in the units and have them talk to those units separates us from everybody else. Now, one thing that does separate us is our brand new upright with onboard tools. Our runtime is going to be longer than the expected, as you've seen in the past, and all of the attributes of the things on the unit are going to be very easy and toolless. Now, one thing we are going to continue to expand on in this platform is solutions that are going to help our customers to increase your productivity. Using a cordless backpack is going to increase your productivity by 3 times, which then you can reallocate to other parts of your business. So our goal is to shrink your vacuuming so you can reallocate and save money over time. So if you all are interested in our products, please reach out to our Hoover commercial team and we'd be glad to help service you.